Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. For today's video I'll be doing a get ready with me. I'm going out tonight, so I thought I would film my makeup, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. To start it off, I'm going to be spraying my face with the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydra Charge Complexion Prep Priming Spray. Oh, that smells like heaven. And then I'm just going to be priming using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Nothing new. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the brows. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. Alright, so now that the eyebrows are done and the eyelids are primed, we're going to move on to the eyes. And for that I'm going to be going in to the Modern Renaissance palette. I just picked up a freshie because I had finished my last one. That's how much I loved it. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to be taking is Raw Sienna. This one here. I'm just going to put that in my crease. Next shade I will be taking is Red Ochre, this one here. I'm going to take that on a more of a denser brush and just put that in the crease and a little bit lower. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of a brown just on the outer corner. For the lid shade, I'm going to be using this Colourpop Supernova shadow in the shade Firecracker. Looks kind of like this. I'm just going to put that, I'm going to put it on a brush first, and then I'm going to apply that to the lid. I'm actually just going to apply it directly. Alright, so I'm then going to go in to the Naked Heat palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Scorched just to set that shadow, just because it's creasing quite a bit. Alright, so next for liner, I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D Liquid Tattoo Liner. And I'm just going to be doing a straight across line. I'm not sure if I want to add lashes or not, so I'm just going to leave it for now. So I'm going to move on to the face. Alright, so I'm firstly going to be adding some of the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal just on my face to add a bit of a glow. It looks like a disco ball. Alright, so for the foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Too Faced Born This Way in Warm Beige and the Marc Jacobs Remarkable in the shade 33 Beige. This is one of my favourite foundation combos ever. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the shade Light. Kim, what the heck? How does this concealer work? I am. Oh. And then over the top of that, I'm going to be adding the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NW20. Then I'm going to cream contour with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. Alright, so to set that concealer, I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking the Australis Fresh and Flawless in the shade Darkest Brown. Next, to contour my face, I'm going to be taking the NARS Laguna Bronzer. And for bronzer, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Sweethearts Bronzer. I love this bronzer so much because it has specks of shimmer in it, so it's not so matte, because I don't really like matte bronzers. Am I even in focus? No. Okay, I'm back. Next for blush, I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs Air Blush in King Kisses, which is smashed, so I'm going to be very careful. This is my favourite blush ever, but I just don't want to pay for a whole new one. Alright. For highlight, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I'm going to be taking the shade, why am I doing it like this? I'm going to be taking the shade Glow Getter and 143. Oh. Oh. This is probably still one of like the best highlighters I've ever used. It's just, oh my god. Alright, to finish off the under eyes, I'm going to be going back in with Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. And just put that underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to be taking Red Ochre, that red shade. Just pigmented. And then I'm just going to put a tiny bit of brown just in the outer corner. And just blending that out. Oh my god, I look scary. Alright, so next I'm going to be adding the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, just in my waterline. And then for my bottom lash mascara, I'm going to be taking the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Alright, so now I'm going to be doing lips, so bottoms up. Alright, for lips, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs lip liner in the shade Cream and Sugar. This is my favourite liner. Then for lipstick, I'm going to be taking the matching shade of lipstick. And then I'm going to be taking the matching shade in lip gloss. Oh my god. The smell of these are incredible. And to finish it all off, I'm going to be setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Oh. And that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. All products that I use will be listed in the down bar. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.